Hello and welcome to AliceBlue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to apply for an IPO through the RISE app. An IPO or initial public offering is when a company offers its shares to the public for the first time by listing it on a stock exchange. You can either directly search for the RISE app from your preferred browser or navigate it through the Ant application. To go through the Ant app, navigate to the app section, then IPO. Here, you can see all the available IPOs. As of now, I can only see a single IPO of this ACCPL company. So let's see all the information we can get from here. We can see that the bidding will be open from the 14th of May to the 16th of May. We can also see the price of the stock and the quantity we can buy in a single lot. As in, you will have to buy 1200 shares of the stock. So 96 multiplied by 1200 is 1,15,200. Although you're free to increase both the quantity and the price of the shares, the minimum quantity and the price cannot be changed. So before submitting your bid, you need to check a couple of other information about the stock as well, such as these important dates. So the opening date is 14th May, hence investors can start applying to buy the share from 14th May, and the closing date for this IPO is 16th May. Which we have already established. The allotment date is when the company announces which applicants have been allotted the shares in case the stock is oversubscribed. If you applied but didn't get the allotted shares, your refund will be initiated on this date, which is the refund date. Now for the investors whose bid was accepted, their shares will be credited to their demat account on the stock credit date. Listing date is when the company's shares will be listed and it will begin trading on the stock exchanges. In case you still don't receive the allotted shares, the mandate end date will be the last date your money remains blocked. After this, the hold will be lifted and your funds will be released back to your account. Another important thing is the DRHP report of a company. You can check out the DRHP report of this company by clicking on this link. Here, you can check the company's financial statements and other such factors to analyze the company's growth and decide whether to subscribe to the IPO or not. Okay, so now let's apply for the IPO. Enter your UPI ID, which you can find inside the profile section of your UPI app. Select the bank linked with your account and set the quantity and the price. Check this box and click on submit. Now you will get a notification in your UPI app requesting a certain amount. This amount will be blocked and not transferred. As we discussed before, it will remain blocked until the mandate end date. After that, the amount will either be unblocked or it will be invested into the stock. Keep in mind that the amount will only be debited if you permit it from your UPI app. And with that, we reach the end of this video. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to AliceBlue's YouTube channel to never miss out on any such updates from us. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.